kind of. No, actually, we're not. Okay.
Come on, big truck. Don't you know how to drive?
So on the trip we just made, we came through a Memphis rainstorm with only one windshield wiper. The problem we had was this one. Yeah, it's completely, the mount for it was completely broke, so it was kind of flopping all over the place.
Just prise apart.
Just prise apart. There it goes. Gotta get the right angle. You got 2 bolts. Other side, yeah.
10.
Move the lever and that's it. Nope. Pop it back in. Just like that.
Where does the motor slide past all this shit?
Got the whole thing?
Yep.
Okay, we're going that way.
Now watch the wire. You don't bury it so you can't get a hold of it.
Yeah.
That's the way it comes out.
Yeah.
It has to go that way. Just like that.
Okay, so that direction. Pull over.
Is the wire loose?
Pull it up. Wire's loose. Wire's right here.
Okay, show him the wire. The most difficult about this thing is getting that out of that.
When it's in there.
It's upside down.
Right.
And my little hands just wouldn't do it.
Right.
I had to.
Just seeing if it's a 2-part. No, it's not.
Just push.
Just a push.
Yeah. Releases that.
Yeah. But being up under there, and it's also sealed.
Yeah.
So it's tight in there. So yeah. Yeah. But if you go the right direction, it comes in and out pretty easily.
Yeah.
Got lots of room on that side, as you can see. Alright, let's put the bolts back in. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side. Put those in, finish it up. So Dad just told me he was messing with me because he took it out the way we put it in, but he was messing with me, putting it in the wrong way.
His brain went dead.
If you believe that one. That's all it was? Okay.
Yep. See if you can pull it out.
No, because you gotta push in and you gotta hold it in, but your fingers behind a notch while you're pulling, so you're pulling against yourself.
Yep.
It's just a stupid design. I hate when they do that.
I finally got it just by cussing and fussing.
Yeah. It's a little looser now, but it's in there.
Okay.
You wanna try it before we go put the rest of it on? Make sure it's in the right orientation. Did it park?
Park.
Hit it again. Let me see what it does. All right, turn it off. Yeah, it parked. I think. Yeah, good point. If you're putting any motor on, you need to check the position of the lever that's on the back of it. This is the old motor, so we didn't have to worry about that. We don't think. We'll find out when the wipers go on.
And this is really the same as pickup trucks. This just looks a little different.
Yeah, I noticed that the Sierras are the same as this is. Yeah.
But it's basically the same.
Yeah. And you can get to it. You don't have this problem. You don't have this
Right.
piece here, the firewall piece.
Yep.
Down over there?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right.
That's the hose down here.
Here, we'll have to lower this.
There we go.
And if you notice that side just pushes in.
Yeah, this side here just pushes in. Goes into like a notch under there. And once you put the bolts in, it can't come out of there because it's in the right position. I think it's in there now. We'll find out in a second. Where'd that go?
I don't have any idea.
Sounded like it hit ground.
Put your hose on.
Yeah, these things are kind of cool because they squirt out of the actual wiper arm instead of like having a separate squirter, which means that when it's at the right angle you can squirt the car beside you, which is kind of cool.
And this is going to be now a little bit short.
Oop. Pretty sure they're going in the right direction. Uh-oh. So we're gonna have to get some new arms. The aluminum part of the arms is kind of stripped out on the old arms. So we had to tighten the hell out of them to get them to sit on that spline. It wasn't squirting very well. Alright guys, thanks for watching us fart around with this thing. We got it going. It's going to need a couple other items, but it's all back together and it works. That's the important bit. Thanks for watching.